Hello friends, in this video I am going to discuss what are pre-trial steps in civil cases. Before starting the actual trial of a civil case, there are certain steps that need to be followed. So in this video I will discuss all steps those are being followed before the trial of a civil case. Of course, the steps discussed here are not conclusive, as depending upon some unpredictable circumstances, some new things you might need to face. That is not mentioned here. I did not mention them because those are highly circumstantial. Nevertheless, this video is of course exclusive. Let's start with the first point. Prepare a plaint in civil suit, that is lawsuit. The first step is preparing a plaint against the incident or claim that you want to make. Now the next question is, what should your plaint contain? Your plaint must be written direct and in simple language. The basic elements of the plaint are a direct, short and plain statement containing the grounds on which the respective court's jurisdiction depends. Next, a short, direct and plain statement of the claim, clearly illustrating that you are entitled to relief, and a demand of the judgment for the relief for which you filed the plaint. Remember, each statement or claim of your pleading shall be simple, concise, and direct. Do not use any technical forms of pleading at this point in time. Once you prepared your plaint, attach the essential supporting documents, including your affidavit and court fee, and come to second step, that is, find a suitable court. The meaning of suitable here is related to the jurisdiction of the court. I mean, first you need to check in which court's jurisdiction your plaints fall, as the jurisdiction of the court depends on your area of residence, area of business, area of incident against which you are making claim, area of residence of opposite party, or the pecuniary value of your claim. Depending on all these situations, you need to choose a suitable court for your civil case. If you are still confused regarding the jurisdiction of a court, watch my next video where I have discussed the topic jurisdiction of courts. Next, filing the civil lawsuit. The third step is filing a lawsuit. Once you find the suitable court for your case, now file the plaint. This document case that you filed in the appropriate court of law lawfully establishes a cause of action against another party and also gives the details about the basis for the cause of action. Next, sending the notice. Once you filed the plaint as per the court's direction, now you need to send the copy of your plaint to each party against whom you filed the plaint. Next, receiving the answer, that is written a statement. In given period of time, the opposite party or parties have to give the answer of your plaint that you need to receive. However, at this point in time, if the opposite party doesn't give an answer and or any other response, then you need to manage to resend the copy of plaint second time. Next, giving the reply. Once you received the answer, now you need to prepare and send the reply through the respective court and also file it in the respective court and also send the copy to each opposite party accordingly. Next, that is mediation. At this point in time, mediation is of course not conclusive, but it is an exclusive step that might honorable judge asks you to go through. If your problems solve through mediation, then you don't need to go for trial or else prepare for the trial. In mediation, a third neutral party attempts to solve your civil dispute, which validity is equally acceptable by the law. Last but not the least, that is recording of the evidence. The actual trial commences with the recording of the evidence and giving the trial dates. Now, I would also like to discuss some of the terminologies used in civil complaint. In civil lawsuit, following are the frequently used terminologies used in civil lawsuit. Plaintiff. The person who is filing the lawsuit is known as plaintiff. Petitioner. The complainant or plaintiff is also known as petitioner. Defendant. The person against whom the lawsuit is filed is known as defendant. Respondent. Defendant is also known as respondent. Pleading. A formal written statement of the cause of an action. Summon. It is basically a court's order to the respective party to notify or give certain instructions. And rejoinder. It is basically defendant's answer to the plaintiff's reply.